What up, guys? It's March 1st. We're gonna do a quick update video. I haven't done a video a week or whatever, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna do a little video on this Cummins. It's gonna be about battery install and how do you do it. It's a pretty simple video. It's for anyone that doesn't know how to do this already, and I thought I'd let you guys know how to do it. Let's check out what's under the hood. So, to do the batteries, you're gonna want to take your negative connection off first. Take a 9/16 or 1/2 inch open-end wrench. Take this bolt off, pull this off, wrap it in some kind of cloth rag, and keep that out of the way. Then you can disconnect your positive after you do your negative. Do that for both sides before you start doing anything else. Then after you do that, there's going to be 2 bolts right here, 1, 2, and you have this bracket that goes across to hold the battery down. These are both 8mm. You take an 8mm. I like to use a socket. You could use an open-end wrench, but a socket's faster. So pull those out. They're long bolts. You might want to spray some WD-40 down there because these tend to rust. Pull these out, pull the bracket off, and then once everything's out of the way, the terminals, everything, you can take your handle and pull the battery right out. Do that for both sides. And then this is a little different. So if you have a 12 valve and you want to put an 850 cold cranking amp out of a 24 valve into your truck, it's actually a little bit wider. So what you do, you could either bend these tabs on the bracket or do what I did and just flip the bracket upside down, and you can actually squeeze that larger battery right inside the cab there. Everything else is pretty straightforward. Put the bracket back on, 2 bolts, tighten them down good, then connect negative, then positive on both sides. Make sure everything's tight. You're going to want to wire brush the terminals too and get inside and clean these off with some kind of contact spray as well. And also, what I like to do, because there's so much salt up here in New York, you're going to want to take some kind of grease or something and cover up the terminal ends. That's going to prevent corrosion and keep everything lasting much longer than usual. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about this, it's very simple, straightforward. Drop a comment down in the comment section. I appreciate all the likes, subscriptions. Those help always. I want to do another cold start compilation video, and over spring break I'll do some more cool videos. Stay tuned.